Got a great question from Chrissy L. Do I need to make like 40 videos before I get noticed? I'll just keep trying. I love YouTube and what it can do. We can use a grocery store to talk about that. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer. Welcome to Video Creators. We are all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and changes their lives. And when you're trying to get started on YouTube, I know it's sometimes hard to get YouTube to feel like they notice you. Do you need to publish 2 videos, 5 videos, 10 videos? Like how many videos until YouTube finally starts to promote you and put you in front of other people? YouTube is kind of like this grocery aisle. My wife just walked all the way down it and skipped most of the items that she wasn't interested in. Just because my wife passes over a lot of the food items and doesn't even notice them doesn't mean that other people don't come in later and buy them, take them off the shelf, notice them, and take them home. But if that didn't happen, and let's say these tomatoes just sat here for a while and no one noticed them and purchased them, then it wouldn't be too long before the store just stopped carrying tomatoes. And YouTube is kind of the same way. They do put your videos out on display across many different places on YouTube, including the home page, suggested videos, recommended videos, what's watch next, you know, a lot of other different places. And if people engage and consume your content, then YouTube will keep surfacing and promoting that video. You can actually see right inside of your YouTube analytics exactly where YouTube is promoting your video and in which spaces on YouTube is promoting it. It's called your impressions. You can think about impressions as like anytime someone actually sees one of your videos. It's like whenever my wife sees something and then decides to keep going and just pass right by it, then that's an impression. A view is when she picks it up and puts it in the cart, deciding, I want to consume that thing and take it home with me. And that's what it is like for your videos too. When someone clicks the play, then you're getting the view, then you start getting the watch time. But if not enough people are clicking and playing and engaging and watching more, then that's a signal to Google like, hey, there's just not enough people who are interested in this content. So what it really comes down to is how good of a job do your videos do at getting someone to click, watch, and really start engaging? How much value are they really getting from it? It's not an issue of whether does YouTube notice you or not. They notice you. It's just all based on human behavior and how much people actually interact and engage with your content. A lot of that's just based on title and thumbnail, right? That'll get them to notice, but then of course you need them to not just buy one, but buy multiple cans and more, and then that's when video really starts promoting you more. Just like the store stocks more and more of what people actually buy. So how do you stand out and get people to engage with your content so that YouTube promotes you even more? Maybe taking this analogy too far. Maybe you feel like I am just one small granola bar in a sea of granola bars and no one's noticing my granola bar. What do you do about that? That's really corny. If you're rolling your eyes at me right now, that's totally okay. I think my wife is privately, secretly. First thing you need to do is you need to make your brand clear. What's your value that you're trying to deliver? It says right here, my belly and my bank account are happy. We try to keep them both full. Aldi, right? So this is what they're trying to do, what they're trying to accomplish, the reward, the value that you're gonna get if you're shop at Aldi. What's the reward and the value that people will get from your channel, from your brand, if they watch your content on YouTube? And how clearly is that communicated? Is that like a billboard that people can just see when they walk around? Or is that something they would really have to dig and do a lot of homework to figure out who are you and what you're all about? Do you remember how I opened this video at the very beginning? It's only been a few seconds into this video and I had already told you who I was and what this channel is all about, what value I hope to bring you, not only through this video, but through every video on this channel. Well, that's what Video Creators is all about. But you also need to know who your content is for. Who wants to consume that value? You need to be very clear on who that target audience is. They also talk about their value proposition to their target audience, even up on the walls. Right here, back here, all the way down. It's like they're over communicating it.
Another element that you need to do is tease what video is coming up next. So every time I leave the store, I always grab the ad for next week so I can look through it and see what I'm gonna be interested in.
So how many videos do you need to do before YouTube notices you? 40? Really? You only need to do 1. What you really need to do is get people to notice and watch your videos and consume more and more of what you're doing. If you want to learn from the best, you click right here to go into a series I did with Cute Girl Hairstyles. They have millions of subscribers and they give you all behind the scenes tips, tactics, and strategies they use to grow to over 1 million subscribers and counting. So click there and I'll see you guys over in that next video with Sean.